This GreenPan Bistro Stainless Steel 9-in-1 Air Fry Oven is a multifunctional kitchen appliance designed to bring versatility and convenience to your countertop. With its sleek stainless steel design, spacious interior, and an array of preset functions, this air fry oven aims to make meal preparation easier and healthier. Here's an in-depth look at what this appliance offers and how it performs. The GreenPan Bistro 9-in-1 Air Fry Oven boasts a modern, stainless steel exterior that fits well in any kitchen decor. The construction feels sturdy and durable, suggesting that it is built to last. The cool touch handles are a thoughtful addition, ensuring safety during operation. The large LED temperature control display is intuitive, making it easy to navigate through the various functions. Multifunctional capabilities. As the name suggests, this oven offers 9 different cooking functions. 1. Bake, perfect for baking cookies, cakes, and other treats. 2. Broil, ideal for achieving a crispy top on casseroles and gratins. 3. Air fry, uses rapid air circulation to produce crispy foods with less oil. 4. Proof, useful for baking bread and other dough-based recipes. 5. Dehydrate, great for making dried fruits, vegetables, and jerky. 6. Slow cook, allows for low temperature, long duration cooking for tender meats and stews. 7. Toast, toast up to 6 slices of bread evenly. 8. Warm, keeps food at a safe serving temperature. 9. Pizza, perfect for baking pizzas up to 13 inches. These functions make the GreenPan Bistro a versatile appliance that can replace several kitchen gadgets, saving both space and money. The baking function provides even heat distribution, ensuring your cakes and cookies come out perfectly cooked. The broil function also works efficiently, providing a nice caramelized top on dishes without burning. The air fry function is one of the standout features of this oven. Utilizing maximum heat technology, it circulates hot air to create a crispy exterior on foods like chicken wings and French fries, with significantly less oil than traditional frying methods. This results in healthier, yet still delicious, meals. The proof function works well for bakers, providing a controlled environment for the dough to rise. The dehydrate function is excellent for making homemade dried snacks, which is both economical and healthier than store-bought options. The slow cook function allows for low and slow cooking, perfect for making tender roasts and flavorful stews. The toasting function evenly toasts bread, accommodating up to 6 slices at once, which is great for large families or entertaining guests. The warm function keeps your food at the perfect serving temperature without drying it out. The pizza function ensures a crispy crust and evenly cooked toppings, making it a favorite for pizza lovers. With a large capacity, the GreenPan Bistro can accommodate a variety of foods. It fits a baking pan, toasts 6 slices of bread, can cook up to a 13-inch pizza, and air fries up to 4 pounds of food. The oven comes with several accessories, including a stainless steel rack, a baking pan, an air fry basket, and a crumb tray. These accessories enhance the oven's versatility and make it easier to cook different types of meals. The GreenPan Bistro is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The one-touch controls are simple to use, and the large LED display clearly shows the selected function and temperature. The cool touch handles ensure safe operation, and the interior light allows you to monitor the cooking progress without opening the door. Cleaning the GreenPan Bistro is a breeze thanks to the PFAS-free nonstick coating on the interior walls, baking pan, air fry basket, and crumb tray. This coating ensures that food doesn't stick, making cleanup quick and easy. The removable crumb tray catches any debris, preventing it from accumulating inside the oven. The GreenPan Bistro is designed with health and safety in mind. The PFAS-free nonstick coating means you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals leaching into your food. The cool touch handles prevent burns, and the sturdy construction ensures stability during use. Conclusion: The GreenPan Bistro Stainless Steel 9-in-1 Air Fry Oven is a highly versatile and efficient kitchen appliance. Its multifunctional capabilities make it an excellent addition to any kitchen, offering a healthier way to cook a variety of meals. With its user-friendly design, ample capacity, and easy cleanup, it simplifies meal preparation and delivers consistent results. Whether you're baking, broiling, air frying, or slow cooking, the GreenPan Bistro is up to the task, making it a worthy investment for any home cook. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.